Angle length.
But I literally saw turn it back on. Hello everyone, I am at Stadium right now and considering I'm going to the capsule 2S, we'll go one stop to SODO. But after that we'll do multiple stops. That one might be a longer video though.
SODO.
Alright, where's the left hand side? Sounds annoying, that's the problem. I don't know what SODO stands for or that's just a name. Oh, it's this side.
Now, entering SODO. Doors to my right.
And the thing is that I boarded the north gate and I took over here. It took already half an hour. In fact, full journey on this line is longer than 2-mile line. And SODO, 155. That's the station there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.